Hello everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So it's been a while. I've been working on my personal productivity app, which I called MotiveTask. So basically I designed this app to help me stay on top of my events and tasks, manage my calendar efficiently, and also stay focused with my dedicated work sessions. Yeah, so MotiveTask is powered by Appwrite. I use Appwrite as the backend for authentication and also data management. So in this video, I want to show you the progress of the app and also just to let you know that I'm working on something and get your feedback as well to see how I can improve upon that. Yeah, so with that said, let's jump right in. So this is my login page. That's pretty much simple. You continue with Google or continue with Apple. So in here, I'll proceed with Apple and click on continue. Everything in here will be handled by Appwrite, right, for the authentication. And once that's successful, you can see the home screen. So you can see overview of your productivity in here. You can see your name displayed. You can add a new event over here. You can choose the date. So you can also see your activity calendar where you can choose the one that's highlighted that shows your event for that particular day, 18th March 2025, as 3 events available. You can switch different months if there is events, right? Over here too, you have reminders of your upcoming events where you can see you have an event in 2 hours. You can also move on to the next event, which is you have an event in 4 days, right? Which is March 23rd to 3 to 4, right? Yeah. And once you scroll, you can also filter your upcoming events, ongoing events, and also completed ones. So you can see one is ongoing and we have completed events, and you can turn them to all events. We also have a calendar session specifically for creating events and seeing your events in that particular day as well. So you can see, you can choose a date in here and give your event a name, right? So I'll go with any name over here. So I'm going to name that as new meeting, right? That's going to be my title in here, and give some sample description about that particular event. So once I give a description and I choose the start of the event, which is going to happen at 7 o'clock p.m. I choose the end of the event, which is going to happen at 8 o'clock, and click on add events. There we go. You can nice dialog over there. So you can see a newly created event, right? So you can toggle it to be completed, and you can also edit the event and delete that as well. So once you tap on a particular event, you can see the event details as well. You can edit one. So I'll edit this event in here and change that to new meeting updated, just to be sure. And there we go. We can see we have successful. And once we come back over here, you can see additional meeting on that particular day. So there are 4 events in this particular day, which is 18th March. And over here too, you can also delete events as well. So I can delete this event and see that gone. The next one is the focus session, right? So you can select duration, where you can select hours, minutes, seconds. So I'll choose 1 minute, right, and start the session. Here we have the pause, where you can pause the focus, and also you have the profile tab over here. As usual, you can. There's also one thing, we come back to that, selecting of difficulty, where you can choose it to be easy, hard, and normal. And you can also schedule a particular session, which I will demonstrate example to you. And at the profile session over here too, you can also update your profile, choose to view from your gallery or take a photo, right? So you can see our profile is updating over here, and that's reflected over here as well. Everything is being powered and handled by Appwrite. Over here too, you can see your total events, ongoing events, completed events, and also upcoming events just at a glance. You can also toggle if you want to receive notifications or not. And there's logout over here as well. So I want to display a schedule focus session for this portion, right? So we're going to use today's date, and I'm going to schedule this for 6:57, just a minute ahead, to actually see the notification working. Yeah, so once our session is scheduled successfully, hopefully by 6:57 we should be receiving a notification for this particular session we just scheduled. Yeah, how cool this is. So I want to feedback about this improvement and see how I can improve upon that. Yeah, so you can view your activity calendar over here. That's basically about MotiveTask. I'm still working on it, and hopefully if you want to try it out, it will be available soon. Yeah, so I'm just waiting for the notification. Hopefully by 6:57 you should be receiving the notification as well, so you can schedule a duration. There you go, you can see focus session. Your schedule focus session is starting now, right? How cool this is. So I'll be implementing the same notification for that of the event. So if the event is due, you can actually receive a notification in case you forgot. Yeah, so see you in the next update. Bye bye.